Hey beauties! Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl, Bella Blend. Get ready as we embark on a journey to master the art of flawless face makeup. Today, we'll explore a step-by-step guide that's perfect for enthusiasts or beginners alike. So buckle up and prepare to transform your makeup routine. And hey, don't let the beauty buzz pass you by. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The key to a flawless makeup application is to start with a clean and moisturized face. It's like being an artist. You wouldn't paint on a dirty canvas, would you? So why would you apply makeup on a face that's not fresh and clean? Starting with a clean face not only ensures your makeup goes on smoothly, but also helps prevent clogged pores and breakouts. So, begin this beautiful journey by cleansing your skin with a cleanser that suits your skin type. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry gently. Follow this up with a hydrating moisturizer. It's not just about hydration, it's about creating a smooth, even surface for your makeup. A good moisturizer can help fill in any small imperfections and give your skin a plumped-up look. Now that your skin is clean and moisturized, let's move on to the next step. Next, apply a primer to create a smooth base for your makeup. Consider primer as the bridge between your skincare routine and your makeup. This often overlooked product is a game changer. It not only creates a smooth surface, but also ensures your makeup adheres better and stays put throughout the day. Choosing the right primer is vital, and your skin type plays a significant role in this selection. If you have oily skin, a mattifying primer can help control shine. For those with dry skin, a hydrating primer is your best bet. It adds an extra dose of moisture while prepping your skin for the makeup journey ahead. A simple rule of thumb to remember is, less is more. You only need a pea-sized amount of primer. Apply it evenly across your face, focusing on areas where your makeup tends to fade first. With your primer in place, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time for foundation. The secret to a flawless finish lies in the shade selection. It's essential to find a foundation that matches your skin tone to a T. The right shade will blend seamlessly into your skin, creating a natural and radiant look. There are several ways to apply foundation. You may prefer a makeup sponge for an airbrushed finish, or perhaps a brush for a more controlled application. And don't forget about your fingertips. They can be the perfect tool for blending in those hard-to-reach areas. No matter your method, remember to blend, blend, blend. Start at the center of your face and work your way outward, reaching all the way to your jawline. And don't forget to blend down your neck as well. It's the key to a seamless look. With your foundation perfectly blended, let's move on to concealer. To conceal any blemishes or dark circles, use a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This lighter shade will brighten your face and give you that fresh, awake look. When choosing a concealer, consider your skin type and what you want to cover. For dry skin, a hydrating concealer will work wonders. For oily skin, look for a matte, oil-free concealer. Now, on to the application. Start by dotting your concealer under your eyes, right where those pesky dark circles are. You can also apply it on the bridge of your nose and any other areas that need a little extra coverage. Blend it well using a damp sponge or your ring finger. Remember, the key here is to blend, blend, blend for a natural finish. And voila, you've concealed and brightened your face, giving your skin that radiant, youthful glow. With your blemishes concealed, it's time to set your makeup. Set your foundation and concealer with a translucent setting powder. This magical powder is your ticket to a flawless, long-lasting makeup look. Think of it as the lock and key to your base makeup. It helps control any unwanted shine, giving your face a smooth, matte finish. And the best part? It's invisible. That's right, it goes on clear so it won't alter the color of your foundation or concealer. Now, how do we avoid that dreaded cakey look? It's all in the application. Resist the temptation to pile it on. Instead, use a fluffy powder brush and gently dust it across your face. Focus on your T-zone, under your eyes, and any other areas where your makeup tends to move or crease. Remember, less is more. Now that your makeup is set, let's add some dimension. Time to add some dimension. Let's start with the bronzer. This beauty product helps to define and shape your face, giving it a warm, sun-kissed glow. Apply it lightly to the hollows of your cheeks, along your temples, and across your jawline. Remember, a little goes a long way, so build it up gradually for a natural look. Next up, blush. This is your secret weapon to looking fresh and vibrant. Pick your favorite shade and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Smile while you do this. It helps to find the perfect spot. Finally, it's time for the highlight. This is where we add that radiant glow. Apply a touch of highlighter to the high points of your face, the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, your Cupid's bow, and just a dab on your chin. With your face makeup complete, let's move on to the eyes. For the eyes, start with eyeshadow primer to ensure your eye makeup stays put. This little secret weapon is a game changer when it comes to creating a long-lasting, crease-free look. Just dab a little on your lids and you're ready to move on to the fun part. Eyeshadow. When it comes to eyeshadow, the world is your palette. You can choose a single shade for a monochromatic look or mix and match for a more dramatic effect. Let's keep it simple and start with a base shade that's close to your skin tone. Apply this all over the lid up to the brow bone. Next, let's take a slightly darker shade and blend it into the crease of your eye. This will add some depth and dimension to your look. Remember, the key here is to blend, and blend some more. No harsh lines, just a soft gradient of color. Moving on to the brows, which are often referred to as the frames of the face. Whether you're blessed with naturally full brows or need a little help, a good brow pencil or powder can work wonders. Start by outlining your brows with light, feathery strokes. Then fill them in with the same light touch, following the natural direction of your hair growth. Remember, we're going for a natural look, so don't overdo it. Last but not least, let's apply some mascara to really open up those eyes. Start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the wand back and forth as you move towards the tips. This will help to separate the lashes and avoid any clumping. If you're after a more dramatic look, feel free to add a second or a third coat. Just make sure each coat is dry before applying the next. With your eyes done, let's finish off with the lips. Last but not least, let's talk lips. The right lip color can be the cherry on top of your perfect makeup look. It's essential to choose a lip color that complements the rest of your makeup. If you've opted for a bold eye look, perhaps a neutral or nude lip color would balance everything out. On the other hand, if your eye makeup is subtle, why not go for a bold, vibrant lip color? Now, onto the application. Start by prepping your lips with a balm to ensure they're smooth and hydrated. Then, line your lips with a lip liner that matches your chosen lipstick. This will help define your lips and prevent the lipstick from bleeding. Next, fill in your lips with your chosen lipstick or lip gloss. Use a lip brush for precision and an even application. And there you have it, the finishing touch to your flawless face makeup. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to achieving flawless face makeup. We journeyed from a clean canvas through primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, eye makeup, and finally, the perfect lip color. If you're eager to explore more beauty landscapes or have any queries, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if this guide was helpful. Until we meet again in our next beauty adventure, stay beautiful!